Annyeonghaseyo! This is another episode of my mukbang series. Today we're gonna have Thai food. Yes, we are. So I went and got some takeout. I've never gotten takeout for Thai food before, so this is the first time. Just chose any random restaurant nearby. They had lunch special, so I ordered their crispy ginger beef, which is right here. Take a look at that, and fried rice. That's big. And what's, Thai video is complete without pad Thai. There you go, see? Oh shit, I just dropped a lime wedge. Anyways, so I'm eating it in my car today because, it's a busy day and I gotta get stuff done. It actually came with soup, which is pretty cool. I wonder if it's sweet and sour soup. No, it's actually wonton soup. It's not really focusing very well. I don't want to spill it, so let's have a go at that. Let's try this baby out. Wonton soup. It's nice and soothing. Let's try those wontons. Check that wonton out, guys. And see the steam that's coming out of that wonton. It's a good wonton. It's like handmade wonton. Oishi. You know it's handmade when it tastes a certain way. All of the frozen wontons, they taste a certain way too. So, oishi. Okay. Save that baby for later. And now let's try the beef. Let's see if it's still crispy. Probably not. Nope. This tastes so good. It's like the rice is decent. It's like the type of rice you would find in Panda Express or Manchu Wok here in Canada. That beef. Oishi. A little sweet, a little sour, and tangy. You have that ginger taste, but it's not overpowering. Take a look at that. That's an awesome spoonful right there. The weather in Canada is actually warming up. And starting to sweat in this car. But there's cars driving by. I don't know if it's gonna be too loud, so I'll stick with the sauna for now. So this is actually a pretty good portion. The cost was like $7.95. Set this baby down. So lunch special comes with spring rolls too. Let's have a go. Dripping everywhere. It's just like vegetable spring roll. Very common taste. Still hot. Some more beef. This is on point. If you like sweet and sour pork, sweet and sour chicken, Kung Pao chicken, General Tao chicken, or whatever, this is right up there. Unless you don't like ginger, but it's really, really good. Definitely check it out. I'm not sure if crispy ginger beef is considered Thai food though, but I don't care. I got pieces of broccoli for you. Very good. I would say aside from the curries, pad thai would be one of my favorite dishes of Thai food. Now squeezing that lemon or lime. Squeezing that lime in right now. Oh, splattering everywhere. And proper Thai places they always give you like a side of peanuts to mix around. This place doesn't look too dry, which is good. I don't like my pad thai noodles to be too dry. Let me angle this a little lower, I guess. Okay. Oh, it's so dense. So dense. I'm gonna make some serious muscle gains right here, right now. Wow. You know what? Can't really stir it up. I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, they already packed it in this box. So I got the chicken and shrimp variety right there. You got a bite of everything. Oishi. Yeah, it's not too dry. It's nice and moist. Oh, so hot. So the proper way of making pad thai, you're supposed to use tamarind. Like this is a little shelled up fruit that has a tangy flavor that's sort of reddish, but not quite. So this tastes like tamarind. If your pad thai tastes like ketchup, it's fake. You know, they're cutting corners on you. You shouldn't be calling themselves a Thai restaurant. Oishi to the max. Something about rice noodles. So appetizing. Compared to like wheat noodles made of flour. Another nice bite of chicken. Oh, getting really hot in here. Maybe I can open some windows. I don't even know where my keys went. Oh shoot. No matter. You can see my face, maybe it's turning a little red. It's from the heat. there's no spiciness whatsoever. I ordered for a little bit spicy, but you know, didn't come spicy at all. This is really appetizing. Maybe I should be eating this with a fork. I mean with a chopstick. Gotta find that key. Where did I put it? Where is my key? Okay, I'll open the door a little bit, but after when the car passes, don't want to kill anybody. Oh, it's still so hot. There's another car. So I'm just parked off at the side of residential area right now. Okay. Oh, that's better. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's a good break. Now take 2. Pad Thai noodles. Oh man. I wish they gave more sturdier forks. Cool fact, the street food Pad Thai variety in Thailand, they actually don't use the red sauce. It's just straight up like soy sauce. But when you eat at the restaurants, they use the red sauce. That's pretty cool. Good wontons. That's how you're supposed to drink soup. You have to make a sighing sound afterwards. Okay, back to my ginger beef. Big chunk of rice. Loving this contrast. If I had to choose one box of items, this ginger beef or that Pad Thai, I'll go with the ginger beef. It's more satisfying. I think they're both priced the same as well. Truly an amazing thing. Close up. Shoot. Getting hot in here again. Gotta release the steam. Gotta find my keys. Where could they be? Oh man. Oh, open nice and wide. Okay, that's better. I do not recommend eating in your car during spring. Bad idea. Chunk of rice with some beef. on point. So Asian places, they love to give you soup as your beverage. I don't know why. Because soup is usually kind of salty, right? So wouldn't that make you more thirsty? I usually have a choice, soup or like a cup of something like tea or yeah. Usually if you want pop, you gotta pay extra. Back to that pad thai. Oh my god, you can still see immense steam coming out of this thing. You see that steam? Look at that steam. This is how you know it's been freshly made. There's a bunch of people walking by. I'm just afraid they'll look in and think I'm a creeper or something, eating 2 large boxes of Thai food. When you have flimsy cutlery, you just have to shovel it in your mouth. That's the accurate way of doing it. So there's like bits of tofu in here. Excellent. I love Thai food. It's one of my favorite foods. I find everything is so well seasoned. Oh, see the sweat dripping from my head. Oh man. Gotta open the window again, the door. Oh. Whew. Probably one of the most painful mukbangs I've had. It's actually worse than the spicy noodle challenge. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out. I'll link it right there. Yeah. Oh, it's feeling a lot better now. Okay. What's your favorite Thai dish? We have a lot. A lot of places don't really sell all the exotic ones. They only sell these common ones. You might be interested to know that they gave me a second wonton soup. Some more rice. This is heaven. Get this. Get this over that. Well, that's good. This is better. Okay. Okay. I gotta get back to work, so I'm gonna save these for later. Thanks for checking out this video. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share. Till next time, hopefully next time I can cook something for you guys. All right, thank you. Bye.
So cheesy, man, but not overpowering.
It's not overpowering. You can actually taste the wine, but it's not to the point where it's like